More peace!
Nothing's moving. The only thing that fell is this little box. What's inside? What? It's a box of... A box of wood? That's ridiculous. You can't put wood in a box.
But God said if I eat it, I'll die.
Insert or select use to complete. Thank you for shopping at
最近在网上常常有很多人挑战拳王啃西瓜，有没有来挑战我的？说鸡给500说鸡。
Hey, your mom looks like a dog.
Where is my country? Is this Asia? I think this is America. This is near America. This part is not America, but is this Indonesia? I think Singapore is around this area. Wait, this is Australia? Wait, what about here? Is this Singapore? Is this Singapore? Is Singapore here? Here? No, north here? Here? Okay, here? Here? Is this where Singapore is? Here? Here? This one? This is the place, right? We found Singapore! Wait, why is the Earth rotating? Wait, excuse me?
We? Who's we?
There is no we.
Wow, this place is actually pretty groomy.
Loose, Mom. All right. How was that, Mom? Said, how was that? Was that fun?
I said, he go drove me. First again, I was going to shoot him in the toodles.
We should return him. Let's get something straight here, okay? There is no we. There never was a we. In fact, without me, it wouldn't even be a you.
Fuck you! I hope your whole family has a nice Christmas!
How do you feel that gays take up 2% of the world's population but commit 45% of sexual assaults against children?
Love is love.
What about me? What about me? What about me and you together?
Great job. God, I love it. How are you? Hey, everyone. I'm Joe Biden's husband.
I beat that. We want to sit trip.
Okay, sir. Okay. So let me go over this again. You want a Big Mac, a large bulk, a 6-piece bacon nugget, and 3 chocolate built bookies.
On Bloods. That's what I want. That's it.
You are the oldest president ever.
Pretty good shape, huh?
Which leads to my next question. You are more aware of this than anyone. Some people ask whether you are fit for the job. And when you hear that, I wonder what you think.
Watch me. I mean, honest to God, that's all I think. Watch me. If you think I don't have the energy level or the mental acuity, then you know, that's one thing. It's another thing of just watch and you know, keep my schedule, do what I'm doing. I think that, you know, I don't, when I sit down with our NATO allies and keep them together, I don't have them saying, wait a minute, well, how old are you? What did they say? You know, I mean, it's a matter of, you know, that old expression, the proof of the pudding's in the eating. I mean, I respect the fact that people would say, you know, you're old, but I think it relates to how much energy you have and whether or not the job you're doing is one consistent with what any person of any age would be able to do.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused. I haven't, look, I have trouble even saying to myself my own head the number of years. I no more think of myself as being as old as I am than fly. I mean, it's just not, I haven't observed anything in terms of, there's not things I don't do now that I did before, whether it's physical or mental or anything else.
Oh my god. Is this a cat or a sheep?
A shat.
Don't call it that, please.
A shitting.
iPhone user be like.
Bruh.
Samsung users be like.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Why do girls rub their eyes when they wake up?
Why do girls rub their eyes when they wake up?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because they have no balls to scratch.
They've barred the gates. Use the battering ram.
She's just like you and me, but she's homeless. She's homeless.